Let's make a loaf of sourdough bread together. And this is just like a basic, easy recipe to follow. I think it's great for beginners. So if you are new to sourdough, definitely try this recipe. You are going to start off with 100 grams of your active starter, 350 grams of water, and then give this a good mix together. Next, we are going to add 500 grams of bread flour, and then go ahead and give this a good mix. 10 grams of salt, and then go ahead and knead for about 3 to 5 minutes. Go ahead and cover and then let rest for 30 minutes, and then we'll come back and do some pull and folds. So we're gonna do our first round of pull and folds. Go ahead and remove your cover, and then you're just gonna pull your dough up and fold it in, and you're going to do this clear around your bowl. Then go ahead and cover, and you'll repeat this 2 more times, 15 to 30 minutes apart. Now that I've completed my last round of pull and folds, I'm gonna go ahead and cover and then just let it rest for about 6 to 8 hours. It kind of depends on how hot your house is, but you just wanna see it double in size, and then we'll come back and shape it. Now that our dough has doubled in size, we're gonna go ahead and get out on our countertop. Go ahead and pull it out to a rectangle, and then I'm just gonna fold it into thirds. And then after that, go ahead and roll it up. Add a little flour to the top, place it in your banneton, and then we'll go ahead and cover and bake it in the morning. I am going to go ahead and get this on the parchment paper and score it, and then we'll get it in the oven. And I'm going to place this in a 450-degree preheated oven for 30 minutes, lower it to 400, and cook it for another 10 to 15 minutes with the lid off. And there we go, it is all done. I'll go ahead and put the full recipe in the description below, and then join me for more recipes.